Today, I can see we have many members from across many chapters. I'm so happy to see all of you. Thank you, Harjinder ji. Dear members, Harjinder ji is our past president, and we also have Malu ji from Mumbai. She's immediate past chairperson from Mumbai. I welcome all of you from all across the country. It's a
बस ठीक है
to have you all. Attitudes is a choice. Happiness is a choice. Optimism is a choice. Kindness is a choice. Giving is a choice. And respect is a choice. The positive thinkers sees the invisible, feels the intangible, and achieves the impossible. It's an unrealistic world in which we are living in. Every day we wake up here. It's really heart-rending to see innocent people suffer. They say that a woman is a full circle. Within her is the ability to create, nurture, and transform. So Flow Ludhiana is dedicating the next few days only to the wellness of our members, because a lady is truly the backbone of a family. We aim to instill positivity and resilience in our members to keep our spirits high. Today's sound healing session aims to align our chakras to activate positivity and reduce stress. Now, may I please call upon Mrs. Monica Arya to tell us about today's event. Monica, over to you.
Thank you, Radhika. Thank you so much. You have the power to heal yourself, the power of mind. So claim and consciously use your power. Hello, everyone. I'm Monica Arya, moderator for today's session. As you all know, FICCI Flow Ludhiana has initiated this awareness drive, Eat, Heal, Pray. For all our members today, we are here for the second event of the series spanning over a few weeks. The Sound Healing by Shalu Verma. Shalu Verma is a meditator, a sound healer, and also a life coach. She has done soul coaching and gong training. She's a believer of a phrase, Apo Devo Bhava, which means only you can be a miracle to yourself. Welcome, Shalu. I'm so excited to have you with us today.
Thank you, Monica. Namaste and welcome my FICCI Flow members and beautiful audience. I'm delighted to be a part of this beautiful event, Eat, Heal, Pray. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, Shalu. Ladies, before we begin, may I request you all to find a comfortable corner and please keep your headphones handy for a better experience. So before we begin this session, I would like to ask a few questions to Shalu about sound healing. So Shalu, my first question to you is, what is sound healing exactly?
So sound healing basically is a wellness practice similar to yoga and meditation. It is an ancient technique which people used to follow, used to practice when there were no medicines. It is a form of a music therapy. And sound healing is a process of healing with vibrations with certain frequencies. So everything in this universe is vibrating at a certain frequency. We humans are also vibrating at a certain frequency. So, for example, if a person is feeling low, anxious, stress, negative, so that means that person is vibrating at a very low frequency. And on the other hand, if a person is happy, relaxed, calm, joyful, that means that person is vibrating at a high frequency. So universe does not understand our wants, needs, and desires. Universe only and only understands and listens to the frequency. So sound healing raises our frequencies from lower to higher. It is like tuning into a radio station. So which song you want to listen to and which frequency you want to listen to. So sound healing really helps us in that, in raising our lower vibration from the vibrations of fear and guilt to the vibrations of love and joy.
Wonderful. So basically, we have to break a negative chain of negative thought patterns, right? Okay, so my next question is, Shalu, how does sound healing calm our brain?
So everything is related to brain. For example, like we all have self-healing mechanism already fitted in our body naturally. So whenever we think of a one negative thought, our body releases toxins. And with that repetitive pattern of thinking negative, getting stress from small things, that toxins keeps on releasing and keep on piling up in our body. So that further takes the shape of physical disease and emotional and mental blockages. So sound healing clears these toxins and makes us feel healthy, relaxed, and calm. Sound healing also releases happy chemicals in our brain. For example, dopamine, serotonin, and endorphin, which is a natural painkiller. So whenever we take a session, these happy chemicals are released in our body. One more thing about brain is always emitting frequencies, brain wave frequencies like beta, alpha, theta, and delta. So beta brainwave frequency is a frequency which whenever we are attentive and whenever we are doing our routine work whole day, so that frequency is released. And then is alpha. Alpha frequency is when we are little relaxed and good thought frequencies are released. And then is theta, which is a very relaxed state of our mind. And then comes a delta state. Delta state is a state where we are deeply relaxed. It's a deep meditative state. So after, when we take these sound healing sessions, we go straight to the delta state. So we don't have to work much on our breath work, and also it takes directly to a delta state. And then once brain is sorted, brain is at peace, so we can manage better, we can take decisions in a better way. So everything comes at place.
Wonderful. So that means man jeete, jag jeete. Exactly.
Right. Yeah.
Wonderful. So tell me, Shalu, what are the benefits of sound healing?
So there are many benefits of sound healing, and because sound healing releases a lot of positive vibrations in the body, and there is not even a single part of our body which is not affected by sound. It lowers our cholesterol levels, it lowers our blood pressure, it aligns our chakras. It releases toxins from our body. It takes us directly to a meditative state, and it balances hormones. It enhances it enhances immunity, and it also helps us in curing insomnia. It is very good for insomnia as well.
Beautiful, amazing. So Shalu, my last question is, how did you decide to come into this?
Okay, so I started, before this, I was a homemaker, and I was also, in 2013, I was also going through a very tough time of my life, physically and emotionally also. So I read that book, The Secret by Rhonda Byrne. That completely changed my life. I started because I was in such a vulnerable state at that time that I really, I thought of everything should end. It is unbearable. It was unbearable for me. So then when I read that book, it bring in so much of change. I started practicing affirmations from that book. I started practicing mirror work exercises. I made vision board. Each and every person who was in that book, I started following those. And then after 1.5 years, my life was totally changed. And I looked, when I was looking at my patterns, I was healing myself. And it was such a peaceful state here. So I was really liking it because I really wanted to experiment कि और क्या हो सकता है, और अच्छा कैसे हो सकता है, how can I feel good about myself. And this is a thumb rule that once your inner is you are at peace, and then outer automatically, outer circumstances automatically comes at peace. So after that, after 1.5 years, then I came into meditation. I started practicing Anapanasati meditation. And then again, it was again a beautiful experience and a beautiful experiment about on my feelings and how I'm, I was struggling with physical problems also. Those were also sorted. And then that awareness was the main motto of it was ki, I want to heal myself. I want to feel better. I want to feel happy. So I think nobody can bring you peace than yourself. And then after that, singing meditation, these different singing bowls came in my life. And then again, I wanted to experiment. And then it was all and all about healing myself. And then I did my my certification in Gong Mastery also. So this is how the main motive behind this was I just wanted to heal myself, feel good about myself and my creativity. So that is my journey.
Beautiful. Wonderful are the ways of the universe, I must say. So, ladies, let's start with this incredible and melodious journey of healing our mind, body, and soul. I hope everybody has made themselves comfortable and your headphones are handy. Shalu, over to you.
So please take a comfortable corner or space of your house. You can lie down or you can sit comfortably. Now we'll start with three deep breaths. You can close your eyes and just relax yourself. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Hold it for 3 seconds. And exhale. One more time. Inhale. Hold. And then exhale. Now one last time. Take a deep inhale. Hold it. And exhale fully. Now observe your normal gentle breath going in and coming out. Be with your breath and focus on sound. And if your mind wanders, come back to your breath. Now you're going to experience guided meditation to boost your immunity and healing cells. Release all the stress and tension you have and just be with your breath, which is coming gently, and be in the present moment. Relax yourself fully and pay all your attention towards your toes. And mentally affirm in your mind, relax, relax, relax. Relax your ankles. Now relax your knees. Relax your sacral area, your lower abdomen. Now relax your upper abdomen. Relax your chest area. Now relax your back. And now relax your shoulders. Gradually, relax your entire body. This will provide energy to your chakras. Now take all your attention to your root chakra, which is located in the tailbone area. Breathe in red color and feel the energies of red color in your root chakra. Stay there for some time and feel the feelings of security. And affirm mentally that I am secure. I am secure. Now moving further upwards towards your belly. Breathe in orange color towards your lower abdomen, your sacral chakra. Stay in there for some time. Feel grounded and balanced. Affirm mentally that I am grounded. I am feeling more and more balanced. Now again moving upwards. 1 inch above the navel. Breathe in yellow color. Your upper abdomen. That is your solar plexus chakra. Imagine a sun shining yellow in your solar plexus chakra. Feel the feelings of confidence and self-worth. And mentally affirm that I am confident. Spend some time there. And then moving upwards towards our heart chakra, center of your chest. Breathe in green color. Stay there for some time. This chakra is of pure love, pure energy. So feel love for yourself and also for others. So feel the feelings of love and kindness. And imagine that this green energy is transforming your heart. Now moving upwards towards the throat chakra. Breathe in blue color. Stay there for some time. This is the chakra of ability to communicate and express yourself. So inhale deeply. And feel the energies of blue color in your throat. And affirm mentally that I am expressive. I am able to communicate confidently. Now moving upwards towards the forehead. Breathe in indigo color moving towards your third eye chakra, center of your forehead. This is a chakra of ability to focus and take decisions. Be there for some time. Allow the energy to grow more and more. And affirm mentally that I can take my own decisions. Now finally moving towards your crown chakra. Center of your head. Breathe in violet color. This is pure bliss and nirvana. This is connected with spirituality. Your crown chakra. positive vibrations and positive energy around you. Feel the energy flowing in your feet, arms, legs, hands, neck, and crown. Sound is nourishing each and every cell of your body. Feel it. Imagine a white light entering into your body from the tip of your toes. That white light is nourishing your cells, this light is enhancing your immunity and filling up all the nutrients in your body.
This is the last.
Now be aware of your breath. Stretch your body, arms, legs. And you can get up whenever you are comfortable.
Beautiful, mesmerizing, calming. I am so short of words, Shalu. Wow. I just can't tell you, I'm having goosebumps right now. Although I'm totally into the moment, but we need to address some questions from our audience. We have number of questions in the chat box also. So I would like to call upon our Vice Chairperson, Ankita Gupta, to come forward with her question.
Hi, Shalu.
Hi, Ankita.
Thank you so much for the most surreal experience, and I can talk on most of us' behalf.
Thank you so much.
You took us directly into the Delta state, which you explained earlier before the session started. Thank you so much for this wonderful 1 hour. Whenever I had a question where I feel whenever I try to chant or whenever I try to meditate, I kind of get a little bit of heaviness in the head. My temple hurts a little bit. Is this normal? Does this happen with everyone, or how's it?
Yeah, that means, Ankita, this is pretty normal, because what happens is, because due to our repetitive stress and negative patterns, negative thinking, toxins are present in our body. So whenever we kind of connect with our breath, we meditate and do such things. Those toxins bother us, because there's a cleansing happening in the body. So whenever there's a cleansing, so जहाँ पे भी कहीं पे भी toxin होगा, वहाँ पे आपको pain, vibration, sensations ये feel होंगी. So it works like that. And once you are doing your meditation consistently, then this pain goes away. They don't stay in the body. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shalu. So that means I was wondering if it's something's wrong, but I should continue doing it. That means, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ankita. Our advisory, Indu Arora, is also here with a question. Indu, over to you.
Yeah. Hi, Shalu. How are you? This was very nice, quite peaceful, calming, and too good.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I just wanted to know, before you started this session, you had mentioned about the secret book. I too have read that book, and I really do affirmations and everything. So I just wanted to know, so sometimes you get a doubt when you are just doing like any positive affirmation, तुम्हारे एक second में negative thought आता है. So how to change that negative affirmation to the positive one, and or how can you process change the level of your mind, the thinking level of your mental state into a positive one?
See, we are so used to thinking negative कि सबसे पहले कोई भी चीज आएगी तो वो यही आएगा कि हमें negative thoughts come to us. And we are so used to that pattern. So in that case, you have to break that pattern. आपको अपने mind को train करना पड़ेगा कि मुझे वो negative जो thought है that will keep coming, पर मुझे उसके साथ emotions mix नहीं करने हैं, मुझे उसके साथ one on one, because one thought leads to so many others. So मुझे उसके साथ और thoughts नहीं create कर देने हैं, and then I'll add emotions in it, and then I will start feeling ये तो सच ही है, ये तो मेरे साथ होगा ही, This is how हमारा जो एक negative pattern है, we are so used to this. But now if we talk about affirmations, so whenever we practice our affirmations, so the first thing is fake it till you make it. Fake it till you make it. Like stand in front of the mirror and, or you know, just repeat your affirmations. And बहुत मुश्किल होता है शीशे के आगे जब हम अपनी आंखों में आंखें डाल के हम affirmations बोलते हैं and then say if I am obese and I want to lose weight and I am saying that I am thin, but I'm not thin. I'm not thin. Then that thought will come. Now then thought will come ki I'm lying to myself. But that is not lying. That is training your subconscious mind. And once you train your subconscious mind by believing in that, you have to fake a little bit. And then with that practice of 4 days, 5 days, 7 days, you'll start believing it. And once your subconscious mind is believing that, those things will start happening to you.
Okay, thank you.
Believe
Thank
it
you so
fully.
much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, dear. Thank you.
Thank you, Indu. Thank you so much. Now I call our executive member, Ashu Khurana, to come up with her question. Ashu.
Thank you, Monica. And thank you, Shalu. The
Thank you
session
so much.
was very vibrant. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Session was very vibrant, very positive. You literally took us to some other world. You know, I still have goosebumps. So my question to you is that I'm very conscious of emotions. Like
Sorry,
my
can you
emotions
please
go
repeat?
from very
It's-
intense to suddenly. Okay.
I'm not.
Emotions.
Ashu, your voice is breaking. I think there's some network issues. Can you repeat your
Just a
question?
minute. Okay.
Please repeat your question.
Am I audible now?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm very conscious of changing emotions. How can I master this? Like my emotions go from very intense to relaxing suddenly. So how can I master this?
See, is it while like doing meditation or otherwise?
No, otherwise.
Otherwise. So the best thing is, obviously, I'll suggest meditation. Everyone should, because it's very when we connect with our breath, it's easy for us to understand ourselves and to make a balance in our emotions. It is very important. See, even anger is also emotion. Even love is also emotion. Like, but there's there is a limit. It should be in a limited thing. It should be in a balanced way. So I think one should meditate and start with 2 minutes or 5 minutes of meditation from morning, and it really helps you because it really balances our emotions. So I would really suggest that it is really helpful in controlling our, not exactly controlling our emotions, but balancing our emotions, because this is very, very important. Sometimes we don't know, like, agar stress बढ़ता है तो stress इतना ज़्यादा हो जाता है, there is no control over it. Because जब अगर हम खुश होते हैं तो हमारा breath change होता है, अगर हम गुस्सा आता है तो हमारा breath change होता है. So everything is connected with our breath. And once we balance our breath. Once we balance our breath, I think our emotions, our thoughts, everything falls into place. So that is very important.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thank
Ashu.
you.
I would like to call upon Harpreet Sandhu, our executive member, for her questions. Harpreet.
Hello, everyone. Thank you so much, Shalu, for such a calming and peaceful session. And at the same time, we're so filled up with that enormous amount of positive energy. Thank you very much. I have one question. I'm sure everybody will agree to that. You know, whenever we sit down for meditation, there are thousands of thoughts that, you know, cross your mind. And they are, believe me, the most useless and unimportant thoughts. But, you know, it's constant. These thoughts just keep coming to you and you just have to try to shut them. But, you know, and it happens when you try to meditate. What to do about it?
Because the most difficult thing in this world is not to do anything. You know, because whenever we sit and because एक के बाद एक जो thoughts आते हैं, then we go behind those thoughts. Our brain is so used to those thoughts, क्योंकि अगर हम brain को ये बोलेंगे कि कुछ नहीं करना है, तो वो परेशान हो जाएगा कि मैं इतने सालों से तो मैं stress ले रहा हूँ, इतने negative thoughts सोच रहा हूँ. So now I have no work to do. So whenever breath is a very, very powerful. So whenever these thoughts come and, you know, when you are sitting for a meditation और ये हमें disturb करें, because you cannot control them. आप उनको रोक नहीं सकते हो, पर आप उनको एक जगह दे सकते हो जाने के लिए. हम क्या करते हैं, एक थॉट आया, उसके साथ फिर से उसको लिंक किया एंड आगे से आगे बहुत सारे थॉट्स बन जाते हैं. The best thing is come back to your breath again and again. When you are sitting, then again thoughts are coming, and then you have to train your mind before, you know, that I have to sit, and you know, you have to command your mind like that. You're sitting for a meditation, and if thoughts are coming, then you have to go back to your breath. So it's like training your mind. So that's a very, you have heard of that quote that master your mind before it masters you. So you have to master your mind to, you know, so mind should know that whenever you are sitting for meditation, then you are not going to go after your thoughts. You have to train your mind. So once you are doing it gradually and consistently, when you are sitting for meditation, वो thoughts सारे कम होना शुरू हो जाते हैं. फिर mind को पता है कि मुझे बार बार उस पे नहीं आना है, thoughts पे नहीं आना है. So then बार बार जैसे अगर हम if we are sitting for, you know, if we are sitting for 10 minutes और 10 minutes में मुझे 20 thoughts आ रहे हैं और मैं जा रही हूँ उन thoughts के पीछे, but वापस मैं अगर अपने brain को ये बोलूं कि मुझे थॉट्स के पीछे नहीं जाना है, मुझे अपनी ब्रेथ पे आना है, तो वो ब्रेन उसी हिसाब से ट्रेन हो जाता है. So then whenever you are sitting, वो धीरे धीरे उसका जो डिग्री है वो कम हो जाता है. पहले आप 18 बार जाते थे, and then you know it वो कम होता होता 15 बार, 14 बार, 13 बार. तो आप देखो कि वो जो पैटर्न है कि वापस थॉट्स के पीछे घूमने का, वो कम होना शुरू हो जाता है. But then you have to practice it regularly. Yeah.
Thank you, Harpreet. Thank you so much. May I invite Mrs. Preeti Kothari, our FICCI member, to come with her question.
Hello, everyone.
Please unmute yourself, Preeti.
It's okay?
Yes, you're audible.
Yeah. Thank you, Shalu. बहुत अच्छा सेशन था. एक
Thank you so
क्वेश्चन
much.
आपसे पूछना है
जी.
कि क्या हमारी जो चक्रास हैं, they are related with the 7 धातुस जो हमारे बॉडी के अंदर हैं?
Sorry?
Are they related with the 7 dhatus in our body? These chakras are related with these dhatus also?
These chakras are related to dhatus also. These chakras are related to our planets also.
Okay.
So ये जो सारे bowls जिनको bells भी कहा जाता है, so they all have frequency. These are handmade bowls. These are made of mercury, gold, silver, copper and tin and lead. So for example, that copper is there in this, and copper is related to Venus, and Venus is again related to love. So this is how it is related, because these are made of these metals. धातु भी हैं और ये हमारे planets के साथ भी related हैं.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Preeti ji. We have Saloni ji, Mrs. Saloni Mehta from our audience with her question. Please unmute yourself.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Yeah. Hi, Radhika. Thank you so much, and thank you, Shalu, for such a lovely session.
Thank you so
I've
much.
never sat down with my eyes closed for 1 hour, which I did today. It's amazing.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
My question to Shalu is, for how much time should we meditate for? I mean, what is the minimum time? Sometimes, I mean, what should be the time for meditation?
See, meditate हमें उतना करना चाहिए जितना हमारी एज है. So that is why we
जितनी
say
हमारी एज है.
जितनी हमारी एज है. If we are 40, then 40 minutes.
Sorry?
If we are 40 years, 40 minutes. If we are 50, then 50 minutes.
Oh, really?
Hello? Am I audible, ma'am?
Okay, I can hear
Shalu,
you. Yeah.
Saloni ji, your voice is
Yeah, very much so.
Hello?
No. Yeah, Shalu, I can hear you.
Yeah, ma'am.
Actually,
So,
I'm from Delhi, and the Delhi weather is very bad. It's raining.
okay, that's okay.
So,
So, ma'am, what happens is हमारी एज के अकॉर्डिंग हमें मेडिटेट करना चाहिए. So that is why we say कि बच्चों को जल्दी से हमें मेडिटेशन में लगा देना चाहिए. So it is easier for them, lesser the age, lesser time. But we always say for beginners, if you are starting meditation at the age of 40, for example, or 45, so it's very difficult for a beginner to sit for 45 minutes straight. So what we recommend is कि sit for 5 minutes in the morning, or max or 10 minutes, और कुछ भी नहीं होता तो 2 मिनट ही बैठ जाओ with your breath. तो वो जो 2 या 5 मिनट का बैठना है वो ग्रेजुअली अपने आप खुद बढ़ाओगे, because that is your space, your time, you're sitting with your breath, you're acknowledging your soul, your body. तो वो जो 5 मिनट होंगे आपके, you will gradually अपने आप you'll be getting awareness कि नहीं अभी मुझे बैठना है. So we say कि आप चाहे 5 मिनट से स्टार्ट करो, 10 मिनट से स्टार्ट करो, 15 मिनट तक करो, and then you gradually increase the time. Or otherwise,
but does it have to be at the same? Shalu, does it have to be the same time?
It's good. Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. It's good if you sit at the same time. But if you are very much occupied, आपके पास बिल्कुल time नहीं है, तो जो अनापानासति meditation हम follow करते हैं, there's no rules and regulations about that. आप नहाए हो नहीं नहाए हो, आप सुबह उठ के बैठो, उस टाइम हमारा सबकॉन्शियस माइंड ओपन होता है. यू कैन सिट फॉर 5 minutes 10 minutes, और वो 5-10 मिनट ही हमें इतना रिलैक्स कर देते हैं कि यू आर सेट फॉर द डे. फिर आपके पास दिन में आफ्टर ऑल योर चोर्स आर कंप्लीटेड, एंड देन यू कैन अगेन सिट एनी टाइम यू हैव. You sit for 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So you will start experiencing changes in yourself gradually. कि मेरा आज मुझे इस चीज पे गुस्सा आता था, मुझे नहीं आ रहा, मैं बहुत शांत हूँ, या मुझे ये इतना मुझे स्ट्रेस बहुत होता था, मैं नेगेटिव सोच. नॉर्मली हम बच्चों के लिए बहुत वरीड होते हैं. वो सारी चीजें धीरे धीरे बैलेंस में आना शुरू हो जाती है. So you can sit anywhere, you can sit on sofa. It's just that you have to go for these 3 locks. Your legs should be crossed, your hands should be in your hands, and your eyes should be closed. These 3 locks, and then you can अगर आपसे even ढास, अगर straight नहीं बैठा जा रहा है तो आप ढास लगा के भी आराम से बैठ सकते हो.
You can sit it on a chair also and
yes, you can sit it on a chair, on sofa. एक घर में कोई भी एक कॉर्नर आप अपना फिक्स कर सकते हो कि मैंने इसी कॉर्नर में बैठना है. फ्रेग्रेंस लगा लीजिए, कैंडल जला लीजिए, कुछ भी which is soothing, that your corner which is soothing for you. So जब आप ये छोटी छोटी चीजें करेंगे तो आपको बहुत पीस मिलेगा.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We would now like to present you with a green certificate. I would request the IT team to kindly show the green certificate to Shalu. The idea behind the green certificate is that in Flow, we believe in creating permanent, lasting memories. Hence, we plant a tree in the name of our esteemed guest of honor, and the certificate is a testimonial to it. I'm thankful to Radhika Gupta, Chairperson, FICCI Flow Ludhiana, for curating such a wonderful session. IT team, please. Thank you, IT team. I would like to extend a heartful thanks to Radhika Gupta, Chairperson, FICCI Flow Ludhiana, for curating such a wonderful session. Thank you, Radhika. Now, my heartful thanks to our annual sponsors. Our platinum sponsors are Orica, Pooja Mago, Headmasters, White Valley. Our gold sponsors are Punjab Wool Syndicate, Music International, Yogesh Vanaspati, Sakshi Couture, AdFlow MedTech. Our silver sponsors are Crown Rice, La Pinos, Avigan AV Steel, Holidays and Beyond, Ronick. Thank you each and everyone for being such a wonderful audience. Now, I would like to, our main sponsor for We Evolved's main sponsor is Headmasters. And now I would like to invite Mrs. Guneet Sidhu from Headmasters to announce a winning question from our chat box. Guneet Sidhu, please.
Yeah, hi. I think the questions that were asked were even very commendable. I would like to give the best question this time to Mrs. Preeti Kothari. Her question was really enlightening as well. The answer that she got for her question was very enlightening for me.
Wonderful, well deserved. Thank you, Mrs. Guneet Sidhu. Thank you. Now I would like to call upon Mrs. Akshita Budhiraja from Orica Spices to announce the winner for another question from the chat box.
Hi. All the questions were really apt. I personally found the easiest one the best. That was Sanji's question. That how much time we need to meditate. So I would like to give the best question from Orica to Saloni ji.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much, Akshita. Thank you each and everyone for being a wonderful audience. Thank you. Love and light.
Congratulations, everyone. Another successful event. I am very proud of you and thank you, thank you, thank you. I can see Shweta, Neha.
Congratulations, team Evolve. It was a wonderful session. Shalu, you were brilliant.
Thank you so much, Monica, Radhika. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. And I'm so, so grateful to all of you. Thank you, co-team. Thank you, Team Evolve, for initiating this wonderful wellness drive. I wish and pray that everyone benefits from the sound healing. Thank you so much.
Ashley, can you please unmute everyone?
Yeah. Ashley, please do that so that we all can have an informal and talk and chat now.
Unfiltered.
Yes.
So now we can talk like that?
Yes, please.
Shalu, what a wonderful, wonderful experience.
Seriously,
Really
how
nice.
was it? I need to
I
know.
slept for some time. I just slept
so
off.
relaxing.
It's so relaxing.
I slept for some
Oh,
time.
great. I'm so happy. I was only curious ki kaisa hoga, how are they, if the sound is coming, if the sound is going properly or not. I was just worried about.
It was really amazing.
Thank you.
So relaxing.
Congratulations.
Wonderful ambience you've created.
Radhika, somebody
Shalu.
Sujata ji wants to talk. Sujata ji wants to talk.
Please.
Hi Shalu, I'm Sujata aunty, Snigdha's mom from Bombay.
Hi, kaise ho? How are you?
Very fine, very fine. Excellent session.
Thank you so
growing
much.
wonderfully. You are growing wonderfully. I'm so happy and proud of you, Shalu.
Thank you so much.
It was an excellent session. We thoroughly enjoyed, and I hope all my friends in Bombay also definitely would have gone through this beautiful session. Keep
Wow.
going and keep growing. Thanks to all the sponsors today that you brought to you this program. Thanks to them for bringing it to us also. God
Thank you
bless
so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
We'd like to see so many like this and attend your sessions. Wonderful.
Thank you.
Radhika,
Hanji, tell me.
कैसे हो?
आप जीत गए हो, आपको हेडमास्टर्स की तरफ से एक वाउचर मिला है। गुनीत जी ने आपका क्वेश्चन सेलेक्ट किया है। We will be sending it over to you.
Okay, actually,
Hello, aunty.
Thank you, बेटा. क्या हाल है?
Very good, aunty.
Actually,
Congratulations.
Thank you, जी. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Guneet. Thank you, everyone.
cruelty-free and paraben-free brand. And since our name is on the product, it better be good.
There's a story behind everything we create. So our passion, when it's combined with all our personalities, then it really brings life to the brand.
We started this journey 8 years back with manufacturing toiletries for hotels. So if you've stayed in any of the brands like Marriott, Hilton, Sheraton, Westin for the past few years, then you surely must have experienced our brands. We started getting amazing feedbacks and inquiries from hotel guests to buy products for their personal use, making us realize that it's time for retail, and here we are.
लीफोर्ड हेल्थकेयर लिमिटेड, जिसको आपके विश्वास ने बनाया है देश की सर्वश्रेष्ठ फार्मास्यूटिकल कंपनी।
Our founding fathers began their journey in 1887, and today, as the fifth generation, we have carried their passion for precise and perfect selections. Dry fruit consumption in India has been driven by tradition. So by modernizing the traditional nut through innovation, packaging and flavors, I founded Nutty Gritties in 2009, catering to the snacking needs of millennials, young working population as well as Generation Z. Nutty Gritties is fresh, crunchy, flavorful and has a variety that caters to all. Right from choosing the finest quality dry fruits from around the globe to efficiently sorting, grading, roasting, flavoring and packaging them, We do everything with love and care. The flavored nuts are blended and dry roasted without a single drop of oil. Conscious about promoting better health, we will only make products that we will consume ourselves and give our families. With 130 years of nuts behind our legacy, we aim to grow this category many-fold beyond traditional consumption and bring India on the global food map.